if it is, then I should be able to hang out there. I should be able to stay there and continue to convert well on that keyword to get that revenue back where I want it to.
Excellent, excellent. Appreciate it. Brilliant. There's as one more thing that you know that now is Amazon actually they are they are substituting your exact keywords with other keywords. Actually, it's a variance. So how are you feeling? Are you facing this kind of at the moment, or if yes, then how you are dealing with it? For example, if your exact keyword is like substituting with any other keyword that the intent is matching, because the intent is matching, if you are facing this kind of stuff, then how you are dealing with it for your brand, for your product?
Yeah, stuff like that can be difficult to keep up on. And I like to use Scale Insights as a PPC tool that I like to use. And they have a feature where it'll show you competing keywords or duplicate keywords. So I honestly kind of lean on that right now because it's tough to keep up with the new things happening at Amazon. But this is the type of stuff you see when you run those search term reports, right? And you're looking at those that data. You can start to see kind of what Amazon is doing and how they're doing exact matches. And it's kind of crazy that they do that stuff, right? Because you're thinking in your head, oh, this is an exact match keyword, but they're showing it for a plural, or they're showing it for something that's kind of really similar. So you really got to dig into those search term reports to stay up to date on those changes and, really kind of stay involved with what Amazon does. A lot of PPC webinars. They send us a lot of emails about PPC.
Yeah.
And even though we really don't want them managing our PPC, that's a really good way to stay in the loop on what's coming our way or what changes have been made.
Yeah, yeah. This the last month and this month is going pretty very good for one of our brand, and some of our products got Amazon Choice Badge. And my client, he got email from Amazon, and he asked me what should I do. I said the decision is yours. I mean, I don't know if you go with them, but this is the like guarantee you're gonna face hard time. So he stepped back. I mean, working with Amazon, it's not in our hands. There's a
Yeah.
question for you. How much a well-optimized product branding impacts on our ranking?
Yeah, so I think it can have a big impact, and I think it falls back on what I said earlier about understanding your customer. This is not something that a lot of Amazon sellers had to know in the past, but it's changing because Amazon does a lot of heavy lifting for us when it comes to marketing. They send out emails and do promotions and advertising that we don't even know about, and that's great, but it also leaves us out of the loop from a marketing standpoint. And when I started looking at having a D2C business selling direct to my customer, I had to learn all these things that I didn't need to know before, like a customer avatar, right? Like I was like, what is a customer avatar? And I had to learn things like, speaking to one person. I was like, whoa, one person, I want to sell to everyone. And what I didn't realize is that there's multiples of this one person out there, right?
Yeah.
That want these things. And if I can learn what their pain points are, and if I can learn if I can learn how they speak about this stuff and the internal talk going on in their mind, then I can come up with really good branding and messaging that speaks to those customers. And that leads to better ranking, as long as you know those keywords. And that's where that technical aspect of Amazon can help, right? Knowing that my exact match keyword should really be, in my title in the beginning. And if I think I want to convert, I can convert well on some other keywords, knowing where to put those so I get indexed by Amazon as well.